Hello friends, welcome to my channel Order Flow Girl. Today is 1st September and I want to walk you through the trades that I've taken today. I'll break down each one to explain what I was seeing on the order flow and why I decided to take this trade. The idea here is to share my thought process so you can understand how to read the footprint chart in real time. So without wasting any time, let's just dive in. So first up is Exide Industries. Looking at the volume profile, you can see that the price opened inside value area but closed outside value area with a very strong bullish initiative candle. The main thing you have to notice on the order flow chart is this high liquidity pocket position. So I placed my limit order at this pocket position, targeting 1:1 risk to reward up to the high of this initiative candle. So as per my expectation, price took a bounce at this pocket position and gave a very nice up move. The next trade is in SBI Bank. So as you can see that the initiative candle closed outside value area but couldn't sustain and entered the value area again. Also at the same time in this initiative candle there was this buying imbalance and price closed almost below this area. But I made a small mistake by entering too early before letting the candle close below this last pocket position in the initiative candle. So without this confirmation, the setup couldn't follow through and I had to take a small stop loss here. And so this trade is kind of a very good reminder for me to stay patient and wait for the full confirmation. Finally, the last trade was in Hindustan Unilever. If you look at the volume profile, the price entered value area and got rejected exactly from the value area high. At the same time, if you look at the initiative candle, there was a buying imbalance in this initiative candle which got rejected from the value area high. So I placed my limit order at the low of this candle which gave a breakout from this buying imbalance. I was aiming for 1:1 risk to reward trade again in this. So that was achieved, but price actually moved much lower than that. But that was pretty late, near to the closing time of the market. So I stuck with my plan and booked 1:1 again in this trade. So those were the 3 trades I took today and the setups behind them. My goal is not just to show wins and losses, but to explain the order flow story that guided my decisions. If this video added any value to your trading knowledge, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep earning.